would like to tell you about freebie. That what is freebie? Freebies can be defined as something without any charge and any cost, like laptop, smartphone, everything that the politician party provide to the people in their election manifesto. It has been a ripe in Indian politics and it is very well known and widespread practice during elections. If we talk about 2019, that time not only Congress but BJP also joined the race to offer freebies. From free water to free smartphone, Indian politics promise everything to attract the prospective voters in their in the favor of their party. And now, for instance, in the election of Telangana, calls were made to people to calls were made to people to provide them a pick or drop facilities along with food facilities if they vote for a particular party at the day of election. Now, I would like to tell you about the effect of freebie politics. First, it makes people irresponsible. Uh, and offer free food and free another facilities citizen it will make citizen irresponsible and lazier as they work depend on the now as they depend on the benefits that is provided by the Indian politics from time to time. And the second thing is this, that the freebies are given out through the tax revenue. Those who enjoy or avail these freebies should know about the fact that these freebies are not coming from the pocket of any politician party, but from the taxpayers, including with those who are beneficiaries. And the Supreme Court of India also gave ruling in the favor of offering freebies. And it is sad that these freebies are mentioned in the election manifesto. And in my opinion, these freebies are not bad if it is used for the social welfare. But it is if it is used to your voters, then it's not good.
Election
It's not good.
manifesto.
And the greediness of the people may lead a problem to choose a good leader. If we don't have a good leader, then the democracy will be a mockery. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Riyajan. Today's geo topic is freebie politics is good or not. So according to me, freebie politics effect of economy. The one economist writer whose name is Milton Friedman. He is writer one book. His name is These are such a free lunch. There says a many things. One is free is more tax, and second is good free and bad free. So according to me, politics is given a freebie. So according to me, you should give me a freebie. So it's not good, but it's you heard a more tax. So this says a freebie a more tax. Second is good free and bad free. First things bad free, like a Pradhan Mantri Mukhyamantri Kanyadan Yojana, and second is Tir Darshan Yojana. This is not benefits are more because these schemes are not useful for any, because they are not given a group job distribute and many things. And second are good free. Good free is a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. These are very useful because there are many benefits for India. First is Clean India, and second is tourism to attentions, and Ujjwal Yojana is a Modi is a get the gas connections. They are very drop of pollutions and ice problem, many things. It's useful, but freebie politics is bad because day by day elections come. So here politics are given tax collection. Tax collection is very high. So you give a tax collection. So according to me, freebie politics is bad. Thank you so much.
Very good morning to all of you friends. My name is Supin Singh. As you know, I come from the local area of Tido area, friends. As you know, today's topic is very interesting. I think I had ever heard about this topic. It's new for me also. And friends, I would like to start from the real experience which we have in our life. That is only whenever we get sad and whenever we what our parents does, they just give us a lollipop. So friends, in my opinion, freebie politics is going on in India. These only the which are the free things are given us by the government of India. These are only a lollipop. They just give us the ticket and give us the vote. They just use us. And there is a female political analyst that's named Neerja Sharma. She wrote in the Hindu editorial, and she wrote that it is a very easy way to convince our voters to have the vote without any hard work, without any development basis manifesto the things. They just give us an economically say matlab, support, then we can get them. And what there is an interesting thing that we also have been used to have the freebie things. Whenever we think that if a government is giving us a freebie thing, that's a good government. But if his government is not doing giving us the things, that it's not a bad, it's a bad government. Okay, but until matlab, even we think okay, if a government is doing for the country, that's good. Not it should be done for us. Let it be. Friends, this was the definition. And if I say in a line, then I would like to say that the politics and in which the government wants to get the vote only the basis of free things. That's for the free politics in India, as we say. And now I will let you count some points that which is going on nowadays. Schemes in India, free things like. Especially in the Delhi, no one has mentioned here about the Delhi elections. I would like to get that. There are four schemes are going on. There are fare is not required for the woman in the Delhi for in the metro as well as in the bus also. And second that is 200 units electricity free. That's also a free things in that is going on. And another one is there is a things free fare areas for the water, so they have followed that. And another one is that the coaching centers going on there. I think examination preparation center. This is only the SC ST candidates whose annual income is less than 8 lakh. So this is also a scheme going on there in Delhi, and as well as in our UP. As you know, the election is being conducted in Delhi also in UP next year 2022. So they are just giving also the free tabs like free laptop, tablet usage is going on. Free tabs until March. This is also free things. We are thinking, yeah, this government will be good, but that's not is reality. Another one is our central government is also doing like that. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, in which every farmer gets 6,000 rupee in a year. That's also free thing. They just want to attract the voters of the Kisan, okay, farmers. And now I will give you some negative effect. In my opinion, that's not good for India as India's developing country. So we should be dependent upon ourselves. Now I will count you 3 points only upon the negative points. First is what will the effect of economy? Economy and supply balance. I think every state or every either this is Congress, Bajpa, and other ways like Aam Aadmi Party. This is going on, but they just don't think about the political effect. They just go for that. They give the freebie, but they don't think what will the effect on the state economy as well as country economy. First, they should count, calculate for the future long-term plans. Then they should apply this. Other one is, I think, degradation in the value of freebie thing. Whenever we get something free, then we don't have the value. When we, I think, buy it, then we have the value. Yeah, this is so important. I went last month to the Delhi. Then my relative was saying that we are getting 200 unit of electricity free. I mean, that's good. Then I saw there they are just wasting the electricity. I mean, what are you doing, sir? Okay, let it be. I mean, what is going on? But then I realized that they are free things are not so good for India. And also, this is a loss for not only Delhi. This is also a lot loss of our country because power plants not I think situated in the Delhi also. All over the India's power plants works upon Delhi so that the electricity supply should be fulfilled. Yeah. The last is discrimination. And as I introduce you the scheme SCST scheme which is going on in Delhi like free exam preparation center going on. So when it gives us some like ill feelings in our mind about the SCST candidates. If you want to give them free things like that, to do this for all classes, not only for this particular classes, so that all will be equal. Then we will think, okay, that's good. This should be there, but they are doing sir only for the particular classes. That's a negative point of that. But okay, India is developing country, and here person are only bound to get the free things. If the country, if a government is giving the free, that's good. And I think we are educated, and we should not think about that. We should be free from that. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, all of you. I am Anjali Yadav, and today's group discussion topic is that freebies politics in India. Freebies meaning is that when we get something free, that meaning is freebies. But in politics, freebies meaning is that when a politician give us something free, and we pay for freebies things. Like in Madhya Pradesh, government give to before election they give to all people, and they promise to all people when we come in power, we will we will give to you 1 rupee per unit. electricity. But feel happy. They think that government do good for us, but they didn't think about it after made cheaper electricity. They also increased cost of petrol, diesel, and many things. And second point, Madhya Pradesh government also done by Madhya Pradesh government is that they did forgive Kisan loans, and because of that, government Madhya Pradesh government 3 times come in debates, and this is bad things because and also other state government also did same things because they want to shine their government. Rajasthan Sarkar also did this. They also forgive Kisan loans, and SBI governor said that things कि if politicians give us something free, they didn't spend from their pockets. They also take from our pockets. So we can't understand these things, and we also believe that कि politicians did very good things. They did wrong because if they spend in good things, that is good. If they spend in free education in healthcare sectors, this is good because many farmers thinks that many farmers are needed of loans, but many farmers didn't need loans because many farmers thinks that if they can they take loan after 2-3 years new government come in power, they also forgive them loans. But this is not correct things. Actually, free have 2 types: good free and bad free. Good free is that bad free is that when in a Delhi government DTC buses, okay, DTC buses also in earlier time 5,000 buses also running there, but now only 3,700 buses running there because they also give free ride for women. Actually, we know that Delhi is the second richest state in our country. Do you think their women need free ride there? 30-40 rupees per ticket only per woman. They didn't need. But that time, if women shouldn't give, they don't give money. So actually, but DDC now in a debate in that time, and this is the peak on the close ke kagar par hai now in DTC buses, and also bad free thing is that we pay tax for good sectors like education, healthcare sectors. Road are so bad in India, but Rajasthan Sarkar also do use money for marriages. They do marriages, free marriages. They do free playgrounds. Take playgrounds in people taking playgrounds. This is a rusted and bad invest of money. We give tax for good things, and good free example is when Modi Sarkar also did this is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They give to all people 10,000 rupees for toilets, and this is also good because in the cleanliness 92% also in India get achievement 92% because before 2014 India only in 50%. And now India gets 92% cleanliness of this toilets because of toilets. And they also Ujjwala Gas Yojana, they give to all people free connections, gas connections. They ask good things. And now actually many politicians attract us because of we are greedy. That's why they attract to voters because of freeness. If we think about it, if we get something free, we have to pay for more in taxes and other things like petrols and diesels, vegetables, and many living things. So I think we should understand what is the freebies things. So if we understand, so India's get a develop, and they also in employment also khatam ho jayega. So thank you to all for listening me with patiently.
Thank you everyone. भारत माता की जय.
जय
जय हिंद.
जय हिंद.